Hello, hello, hello. Let me just check if everything is fine. Okay, should be good. Should it? Is it? 1 second. Let me put some music. Hello, Ravioli. How are you? Okay, so. Hi, Pro. Hi, Ravioli. Did you sleep well? I'm good. How are you? I'm good, thanks. Very good. I actually had this. I mean, I guess I talked to you about it like really quickly, but I actually have this idea for a puzzle game I'd like to make. Um, because I actually sadly don't know how this current game is going to turn out. Um, for now, we're planning to have the demo basically, but after that, I don't really know. Uh, so yeah, that's kind of why I'm thinking about after, I guess. Let me check +3 fire control. +3 burn. Then I can attack and convert. Well, I can't right now. Now I can. Yeah, and today the plan is to finish the boss. So I wanted to make like a few mechanics for the boss, a few cards and a few abilities, I guess. So yeah, just gonna finish that. That's it. How long have you been working on Cento? Um, too many months. Too many months. Um, less than a year for sure. But basically, we started the concept in September, and I guess I really started programming in like October or something like that. Oh, watch trick. Hey. So yeah, I guess it's been like you could say 5 months. It's actually less than I thought. I guess it's gonna be like 6 months. Wait, I'm actually bad at counting. No, I think that's right. Actually, it's a lot less than I thought. I felt like it felt almost like a year, but it's actually less than what I thought. So when it's counting, yeah, you're right. You're right. Do you want me to pitch you my idea for my next game? I guess I kind of want some feedback. Do you play puzzle games in the first place? Like, do you like them? Or is it like just the thing, the plague? Okay, please, got it. Um, so basically, my idea for my next game, for my puzzle game, is it's a puzzle game, a bit like Portal, so it's like a first-person puzzle game, like Antichamber. That's another similar game, right? Uh, like this, I guess. Where basically you have cards that you carry around, and you can use a card to, for example, create a cube. You can use a card to stop time. You can use a card to rewind time, maybe even. And you basically have different mechanics like that. And the goal is to complete the puzzle by, I don't know, going to an exit room or something. And on top of that, well, basically, the puzzle is going to be um, around the cards and that kind of stuff. And you can also disable these cards if you want. So I actually made a very short. Oh, actually, I already have Godot open, so maybe I can't really show. But yeah, basically, for example, you can create a cube with a card, but then you can make the cube disappear by disabling the card. So like, from any distance, for example. So you have like some mechanics like that. Yeah. I guess that's mainly it. Trying to mix cards with puzzles, and like for example, yeah, you know what? I'm going to. Can I close this? Wait. Let me check if I can open another instance of Godot. I might not be able to. Ah, where is it? Wait, actually, documents. Um, where is it? Projects. Okay, this one. And how do I even open the .godot? No! No! Okay. 2 seconds. Ah, how can I do that? Wait, how can you open Godot again? That will be fun. Thanks. Thanks. Yeah, maybe I don't have Godot anymore. Wait, show all. Oh, what is this? Searching through folders. Anyway, yeah, I guess that's the main thing about it. I was thinking maybe about having like some non-Euclidean things, like, you know, having a card that creates a portal, you can go into it and stuff like that. You can also have like portals, like doors of different sizes. So if you go through one portal, you get on the other side, but bigger. So like that scales up your cube too, for example. So you can press buttons that are bigger, for example. That kind of stuff. Will be fun. Should be able to. Yeah, I just don't remember where I download. Oh, where I downloaded the Godot thing. Well, actually, no, I don't. I don't have it. Ah. Okay, where is it? I guess I have to download the new version of Godot anyways one of these days. But let me try one more time. Sounds fun. Uh, project.godot. I mean, yeah, you have things, but godot.exe, maybe I have to search. No, it's not. I have. Basically, I just downloaded everything in my, download folder, and I just can't find Godot. Um, zip. Win demo. I mean, I guess that's towards the end. TG Windows. Oh no, it's a game. Close. But that's not it. Oh, I found it. 4.5. I found it. You have my full attention. Okay. I mean, there's nothing, right? You've implemented nothing. It's basically just trying to think about puzzles, like, levels, how they could be. So, like, for example, for this one, you have a card that spawns a cube, so you spawn it on the button, you press it, this thing just, goes down, then you go there, then you disable the cube, so the cube gets removed, and that means the platform goes up again, and then you exit, right? Or like, for example, this one, like, you have a card to put a cube, but the button is like really too big. So like, it's actually not pushing the button if you just put a normal cube on it. So what you do is you go through this portal. So you get really big from this portal. And then if you put a cube, then it's like really big, so you can actually press it, right? That kind of stuff. So yeah, I like really have nothing right now. I have no mechanic, but big. Yeah. But yeah, for now, just trying to finish the demo for this current game. So yeah, I have the enemy. do. I have this one. I have the dragon. That's going to basically inflict fire upon enemies. So for that, I'm going to make a custom ability, like kick, probably. And yeah, I love it. Thanks. Thanks. Yeah, I'm gonna try to. Well, basically, I guess I tried to check a few other puzzle games on Steam that were similar. Where's the jumpers? Maybe I'm going to add them. Uh, um, but yeah, I guess I wanted to check a bit about the art style too, right? I don't want something like kind of classic like this, with just like white walls and stuff. Maybe what? Well, I'll try to see if I can like put some effects and stuff. No, but it reminds me of a movie. Oh, what movie? Fire attack! And let's say it's gonna be like +2 fire, maybe? +1, +2. Down. 2 target. Oh, cube 1997. What is this? Let me check what it is. I just wrote cube. Okay. Whoa. What is it about? Ne cherchez pas une raison, cherchez une issue. Cube, la solution est en vous. Oh, seems like some kind of puzzle, like people trapped in a puzzle thing, I guess. Forced to solve puzzles? I don't know. Sounds like Portal. It's spooky. Yeah, I thought so. I mean, you like horror, right? So I thought that was the case. um, yeah, okay, people trapped in a space together. Chaque, well, every room. I'm mixing French right now. While reading Japanese and reading it in English. Each room, each face. Wait, what? Anyway, each room has 6. Oh. Stuff. Okay, yeah, I might give it a look. I'm going to write it in my notes. Here we go. Okay, yeah, what about you? Do you have any idea for... I mean, I think I've already asked you about that, but do you have any idea for a game you want to make? I guess you were working on some secret projects recently, right? Plus to burn, so let's have... I'm attacking, source context. Wait, I already have that. Wait, what? Okay, that's great. Source context dot push effect. Let's go to what? Intimidation. Let's get this. Apply status. Yeah, I was helping another streamer learn Godot. Oh, so she can make something for a stream. Oh, great. Yeah, I guess after my demo, I also kind of want to make custom things for my stream. Like, I realized watching your stream that you know, like you have a lot of stuff, right? A lot of integrations and stuff, right? And I don't really have anything, so I did want to, you know, maybe like even make a game. Keep bubbles, yeah, bubbles. I could make bubbles. But like for example, I could like even make a game that I keep like on the side of my screen, and that's viewers can play. But only for me. Oh, that's gonna be your special ability when you enter the chat. I don't know why I'm yawning so much. Sorry about that. Maybe I should make raviolis instead. Okay, so we have. What is that going to be? Yeah, that's not going to be this actually. That's going to be. Do I have something? Oh, mana! I can just get the mana, right? Where do I have that? Wait. Wind. Give mana. Okay, this. I want to copy this. And put it here. Yay. Wait. Veda. Yeah, okay. You know what? Constantian State. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna tell you something. You and Gabe just made me think, like, the first times, and I mean, I guess even now, a bit. Like, you make me think a lot about Nerosama and Vidal. I won't be able to stop. I don't know what I have tonight. There was a what? What? Nothing. No yawning. No, was just saying you make me think a lot about Neurosama and Vedal. Effect, I target. What? Oh god, I love Neuro. Okay. Yeah. She's fun. I'm not watching her stream often, but I often like find some shorts or small videos about her. I want Junior to have its redeem soon. Oh. Wait. Anyway. No text to speech. Yeah. I mean, like, if you follow the evolution of Neurosama, it's like it improved well, right? Hey, Kratos, what's up? Well, you know, just doing my game, doing fine. What about you? Fine status. Anything a lot? Oh, right. Okay, so I continue here. I continue with this. I'm going to add burn, and I'm going to add like 3 maybe, like 2. 2 could be fine. OMG, hi Kratos, hi. You're a professional programmer, I assume, sir? Yeah. Yeah, I'm Mr. Kratos. I mean, I don't, you know, I'm not professionally working, well, like my full-time job is on custom engines for now. Like I haven't used Godot professionally. Oh, he's a professional! I mean, professionally more an engine dev. So, you know, I'm making gameplay, but I might know much about it. Well, I mean, I know the basics, right? I won't be able to stop yelling. Okay, so what happens if fire attack is going to be an attack of my little character, which is Green Dragon. Fire attack. Okay, here you go. Let's see what's up. And yeah, if you have any question about programming, about custom engines, about game dev, about anything aside from my companies and stuff, because it's a bit like, you know, NDA, then, you know, feel free to ask. Wait, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, is it going to attack? Yes, but it's just not working. Interesting. Oh, yeah, thanks. You're right. I only knew about programming or computers is to play open world games and some other first person games. Always right. I'm not sure I understand what you mean, Kratos. Sorry. Yeah, but why is it not? Why can't I find the key? What's the key? X character? Oh yeah, it makes sense. Which one? Here. So is it going to be? I think it's not. But I think it's just source context that maybe not. That's going to be a bit tricky actually. So targets is currently status target, right? No, never mind. This is actually character target. Yeah, okay, character target. And I want to get this from this dictionary. I don't know what to do. Oh, X targets. Wait, is that it? Oh wait, that's it? So it's just X targets actually. What? What? Oh yeah, yeah it is. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this. Here we go. Um, what game do you like? I have the key. Wait a minute. I've always been a big fan of the Call of Duty franchise, and the Go and Rockstar games, and many more old type genres. Ooh. I actually, that might sound a bit, you know, um, weird, but I've never played Call of Duty. Like it's the same for Assassin's Creed. Actually, I've never played an Assassin's Creed, and it's like, you know, as a game programmer, I guess, as a game developer, that's like a bit, you know, embarrassing, I guess. Red Dead Redemption, GTA. I've never played those. I feel like I'm only playing small games or more like Japanese games, I guess. Like I grew up playing Mario and Pokemon, you know. I played COD on my Nintendo DS. How? I wanted to be a programmer when I was a teen. Never learned it though. It's never too late. Time to learn, Kratos. Yeah, never too late. Um, like right now, I actually want to learn how to draw, right? So kind of the same situation. Gonna have to start one day. I mean, I guess I'm kind of starting, but I'm just really bad at it right now. So I just keep my drawings hidden in the darkness of time. Is it gonna attack? Oh, it is working. Wait, it is working. Is it? Yeah, it is working. Okay, it is working. Perfect. This card is full of useful information. Thanks. Yeah, I actually need to write more about programming because basically I've started programming like in high school, I guess mainly, and then I had like college, right? But I really started my documents like after college, so I actually haven't written anything I've learned about programming here. I just have. Wait, that's not. That's not. That's not the correct folder. Oopsie. That's not the correct one. Okay. Yeah, this one. All of those are documents about. Well, almost right, but most of those are documents about game dev, and you have a lot of game design, but you have like a bit of programming here. Like it's in draft, so it's like not really finished, right? But I guess you have a very small roadmap about what's to learn, mainly, and then you have some indication about the rendering pipeline. But that's it, I guess. But I actually have more about it than I thought. But yeah, a lot of stuff that's not really done yet. But at least you have the worlds, right? You have the worlds. You have like, well, you have the worlds, and you can search for what it is on internet, I guess. Gonna have to complete a bit more. Leaked! No! I have a lot of work in my brewing job, to be honest. Lots of files and documents. Oh. Shaders. I mean, shaders are great. Like, actually, well, in shaders you might have like some math, but like generally math are like magic in game dev. I feel like, pro. No, like math or magic. They're magic, okay? Like if you want magic into your game, you need math. And the reason is because if you have math, you can have that kind of game, right? You can have that kind of game where you just create this and you see on the other side, right? You can have games like Antichamber where it's just like mind breaking, mind bending. Like this, right? This kind of cube, right? You also have like you have so many great stuff if you know math. You can have like so many good stuff. Queens can be just fine. Yeah. I mean, I guess in some way it is. I mean, I might want to get portals in my game, but I guess I'm just gonna have like basic teleportation instead, at least at the beginning. Should be easier. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. My puzzle game, I mean. Okay, but yeah, this is working. This is great. This is incredible. So what I'm gonna do is yeah, this is done. We finished the game. We finished the game. Well, actually, maybe not. Now I have to actually make the level, I guess. So let's go back to minibus. Here. Yay! No, so jumpers. What do you mean by jumpers? the chomp chomp. Um, yeah, so let's just give those to the enemy, I guess. Should I? Yeah, I guess I should. Ignite is very important. And cards are gonna be like sharpening, ignite. I guess a shield. And here we go. Wait until you see this little guy. This little guy. Okay. Oh. Yeah, that was fast. Um, why is that? Shield, ignite. I guess I don't have a card called like that. I actually do. Shield. Oh, it's actually a shield boost, right? Bring out Champers! Champers, what? What Champers? At your earliest convenience. What do you mean? I don't get you. Whoa, so many. Let's just ignore. That's a lot. I'm gonna die so much. Wait. Let me think. I mean, yeah, okay, this is actually kind of fine. Dealing damages through time. And then, out of nowhere, I'm just going to ignite. I feel like. Wait, is it actually... It's... Yeah, it's just burn. Why is it not igniting? I don't get it. Wait, ignite. Why? Why not? Let me play again and check the runtime thing. The outlines turned out so well. Yeah, they did, right? Like myself, I that feels like a bit, self, narcissistic. But I do love the outlines a lot. Like I didn't even think I would be able to do something like that. So I mean, that's why even if I finish like the demo and like even if we don't publish the game, the actual game, like complete it, like fully make a full game, then I mean it's kind of fine, right? Because like the outlines are so great. I said like I have, I made like the hand is like very juicy too right now, so it's like something I can just reuse for another game. I'm proud of you. Thanks. And yeah, I guess I've learned a lot about card games in general. Like you really have to think about a lot. Game of the year because outlines. I mean, maybe I was actually thinking. I told you earlier that I was thinking about making. For my puzzle game, have like, special visuals, like make something a bit unique. Maybe I can just reuse the shader in some way and have like some kind of outlines like that somehow. Like, oh, that actually feels like kind of like a ghost, right? Maybe I can have a game where you have like ghosts. You should. Yeah. Wait, a puzzle game with ghosts? What about that? How can you interact with... It's like, I'm just thinking about Mario right now, and like Luigi, I guess, Luigi's Mansion, but... Oh wait, I've actually played a puzzle game with ghosts. I have a cute ghost particle thing. Oh, do you? Wanna show it to me on Discord? Um, and yeah, this is Jam Compendium. I think I've put it here. Um, it's no recommended genres. Puzzle games. Baba is You, World's Last, Trichromat View. Yeah, refresh. Ghost Soup, this is it. It was very nice. Wait, what is this one? Maybe? Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Let me try this. Wait, what? Oh no. Wait. Oh no. Well, yeah, this one was kind of great, and basically you had like little ghosts, and they had like special abilities, each one of them. Once I get to my PC, okay? Still in bed. I mean, feel free to take your time if you want. Yeah, thinking about a 3D game, because I kind of want to make a puzzle game 3D. I'm just a lazy girl, that's fine. We're all lazy. I'm just yawning all day. That's fine. But yeah, I did make a document about puzzle games, and I thought about puzzle games a bit more recently, with like this order is important thing, I guess. So I did want, I guess, to try to, you know, uh, think about new puzzles with that in mind. And yeah, these two. That's why I also want 3D puzzles. I want to see the difference between 2D and 3D a bit more. You convince me. I'm getting up. Okay. She said, I'll be lurking. Got it, got it. As always. Yeah, gonna drink. If you're gonna lurk, maybe I I should have wished for you to stay in bed. No, my ravioli is sleeping. Leaving me all alone in this sea of darkness. But yeah, my enemy isn't using ignite. Oh, because it's no, it's not random anymore. Let me check remote battle event. Battle model. This one. Hand. What do we have in the hand? 3 cards. Okay, what is this? Shit. Okay, shields. What is hand? This. Ignite. So we do have ignite. And the cost is 8 action points. And it's not enough. Well, I mean, yeah, that's enough. I meant more like... I can't play it? Why? You know what? Let me remove all the cards. So like, let's just have this. And this is 2. Then we have this. We remove every card except Ignite. And the reason for that... Yeah. The reason for that is... You know, the basic attack is going to inflict burn anyways, right? So we can just do this. Wait, that's not what I want. Okay, enemy is attacking. Wait, actually, let's deal more fire. So, fire attack! That just makes me think about Naruto, like, you know, the Fire Nation. Attacked by the Fire Nation? I don't remember. But everything changed when the Fire Nation attacked. Let's see. Let's try this. Yeah, so fire. What about here? Oh, so we have the burn this time. So wait, this is working. Oh, yeah, and died so fast. So yeah, this is working. So what if I try with 2 characters? Is it going to work? Oh yeah, because I guess it's like random, right? Like the target is random right now. Let's restart. Like if I do this and wait. So I have burn. Then I have burn. Okay, and then I have the burn, but that's because it's a bit random. I don't have any condition to play the effect. Wait, I don't. Oh yeah, because it's not in the cost, right? I guess that's kind of why, and that makes sense, right? Can I have something like, instead of cost, like cost condition? That would mean implementing something new, but I mean, that's fine. AI condition. Yeah, that could help making custom AI behaviors without making custom AI controllers. That could be nice. Like AI cost, you could say. That could be nice. So AI cost maybe? And this is going to be like burn 10. Maybe not 10, but maybe 5 or something like that, right? Maybe 3. Maybe 5. Yeah, 5, I guess. 5 times 3, 15. Yeah, that will be a lot. Yeah, it should be good. Should be good. So now we have costs. And when I have the targets. Yeah, when I target effect. Where is it? Here. Can pay cost. Perfect. I mean, that's not perfect, but that's fine. If card, then we do this. And afterwards, I'm gonna get the AI cost right. Instead of returning true right away. So here. Yeah, this is it. So I have the AI cost, let's say. I need to find a way for, to detect that it's the AI playing though, but yeah. I get the AI cost, and I just have to check. I mean, basically I have to do that again, right? So maybe maybe I should put it like in another function. Can pay cost 2, I don't know. Static think. Can pay cost sub? I don't know. I really don't know. Let's just have this. Let's just really just copy, I guess. And we're gonna return a boolean too. By default is gonna be, I mean, we're just gonna copy actually, there's not going to be any default. So this, even, well, the only problem is that we have the cost, right? So let's do this. Cost is not declared. Do I need the absolute? Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Relative context, do I need this one? I don't, right? Yeah, I don't. Targets, I do. Only player, I do. Okay. So let's replace this relative context with let me think. I mean, this is basically the cost object, right? So, well, costs, I guess. Object. Okay. And now we just replace everything with cost object. Oh, right. I forgot. Yeah, and it's not a dictionary. Just an object. I don't know what it is. That's not declared. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Here too. Okay, here we go. And because, yeah, so basically I just have to replace everything here. Basically I just have to replace everything. That's fine. So we have the owning player. Then we have the targets. Then we have absolute context. And we have the cost object. Wait. Yeah, this is the cost object. So let's put it here. And it should be good. And can pay. Here. So I guess it's just going to be... Well, I mean, I'm already coding that, right? So can pay this. So if this is false, then I return false. And then I just return if I can pay the AI thing, right? Well, else true, I guess. But I'm gonna have here if AI and, well, here AI cost, and I'm gonna check if I can pay this here. Perfect. So that should look the same, and that should like help the AI actually play cards. Normally, I guess. Well, in a good way. So owning player, how can I check that this is an AI? I guess it's like recommendation. I'm actually not sure. Maybe, well, on targets selected. Oh wait, it's on targets selected. No, never mind. I'm not putting that here. Only like in finish, I think. Or maybe not. I don't know. That's fine. That's fine. So it has the AI cost. Let's... Yeah, I really don't know. Oh, I mean, maybe enemy? Wait. State 1, state 2. Maybe I can add a tag, like an AI tag. That's going to be a bit bad, I feel like. But well. Yeah, I mean, that's That's the easy way, and we have to do things the easy way now, I guess, because the demo is soon, and yeah. So is AI false? But this is going to become true. Ha! Got it. So now we have this. Wait, what then? What do we have then? Target. Yeah, here. So we have owning player, right? So basically, if owning player is AI, then we're gonna check this, but only if this is an AI. Okay, it should be a lot better now. We can try it. Let's try it. Okay, let's finish. So we have some burning. We have some more burning, and it should ignite. It did. Okay, yeah, this is working well. Well, a bit too much actually. That might be working a bit too much. It's actually a bit too strong, I think. Like 3 damages at the end of every turn. It's like, wow. Maybe I should just put 2 instead. Like the limit should be 5 instead of 10. Um, Good question. Can I... Oh wait, I actually don't have my usual cards. Let's try to put a shield to see if we can block the fire with a shield. Room 5, I guess. Cards. We can have this. We can have this. And we can try again, I guess. We can also try with this instead. And see if like the enemy AI actually uses ignite to deal more damages. So okay, here we go. Fire control. $16. What the what is this? 16. Wait, what? Wait, it's burned. Okay. So it attacked. It dealt like 2 or 3 burn. What else did it do? Fire control. That's it. Wait, that's just so much. That's crazy. So now we turn into nothing actually. Well, it actually did nothing. Played ignite. What? And it didn't cancel it. But it's just burn, it's not... Yeah, it's not working. Huh. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. Overreach. Yeah, you have to update this card. Right now it's just bad, but it could become like better in the future. With like a lower cost. Let me think. This one damage. Yeah, where's the ignite? And pay costs. Yeah, because I'm selecting my next target based on that, right? Let's try this. So, what is the current card? Absolute context. Shield, okay. Fire control, wait. Sharpening. Fire control, sharpening. So there is actually no ignite considered in the first place. How is it even possible? Ignite. Yeah, I do have it. I do have it. So what's the deal? Shields. Oh, ignite. Wait, ignite. Finally. So it did try ignite, but it's still not working. Okay, ignite. It is trying ignite. Action points 8. AA cost, burn 5. Should be good. Let me cut down. Can pay. Yeah, it can. So why is it not working? Oh, is it? No, I don't know. Because yes, the card works, right? Source. Okay. That's kind of weird, isn't it? No, never mind, that's the ability character. No, that's fine. Potential targets, 1. Yep. And when it is selected, then we output and we do things right. Oh wait, so it did work. After so many turns. Okay, this turn. Burn, burn. Oh, it did burn. Okay, yeah, so this is working. Oh, it's even crashing. Oh no. Oh, it's the animation, right? Oh, right. Okay, I'm glad I encountered this bug. Wait, no. And that's later. So how can I fix this? Because I mean, it makes sense, right? I mean, I guess I want to remove it from this, right? But I don't have a timeline finish, remove character. Yeah, but I'm not binding to like on character destroyed, right? I mean, I feel like the easy fix is just going to add an if, right? It shouldn't be like the actual fix, but that's good enough. That's gonna be good enough. Wait, character view? Wait, this is actually fine. The problem is... Wait. What's the problem? Trying to assign invalid previously freed instance. Oh, yeah, so, okay. Free? Is free? Wait. Can I just check with null? Is it gonna work? Because it's not free right now. Go to check if previously freed. It isn't null. You should use is instance valid to check if it is freed. Oh. I mean, I can't do that. It's a hotfix though. It's a hotfix. Come at me, dragon! Burn, burn. Burn, burn. Okay, now it's time for deep burn. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I mean, I guess burn is actually pretty strong in itself. What if I just shield? Yeah, it's reducing the shields. Got it. And yeah, an attack of 4 is like really strong. Maybe I just want to put burn actually on the enemies instead. Yeah, I'm going to nerf this character. I'm going to nerf it because it's just so strong. It's just so strong, it's going to break everything. Like, an attack of 4? Like, give me a break. Come on. Green Dragon. But it actually only has an oh, it's because of the attack boost, right? Yeah, I get it. Yeah, I mean, I guess I don't really want the enemy to have a lot of attack. Maybe I don't want it to have attack at all. Maybe I just want to... Oh. Oh, yeah, maybe it's not going to deal damages right away, but just burn. That's a good idea. So this is going to be like 2, but with a fire attack, instead of dealing damages, I'm gonna remove this, and I'm actually going to use source context.attack instead. So like this, maybe? What? Yeah, this, basically. And let's see if it works. Okay. This is gonna be interesting. This is gonna be interesting. So yeah, see, so it's actually working still. Oh, now it's attack of 4. So when it attacks, it deals, well, 4 burn, but then one just got triggered, so yeah. Okay, this is great. This is great. I love that. I just have to update the description, I guess. But this is kind of great. And instead of effect, it's gonna be on hit, maybe. Oh, but I'm not... Oh! Oh! Oh no! Okay, I need damages still. I need damages. It's just that the damages are going to be basically 0, but I have to deal the other thing. I did 0. You're just going to apply the effect, the status, well, run it, right? Because right now it's not doing anything. There's no impact, it's not detecting an impact. And now it is, even if like it's no damages at all. So now it's like 7, and now I can burn more. Now I can burn, and after that I'm going to ignite deep burn. And now it's going to go down really fast. Really fast. A bit too much probably actually. So yeah, ignite is actually going to only have 5 maximum, I guess. But I guess the minimum is... Well, I mean, there's no minimum, right? But for the AI, maybe it's gonna be 4. 4 is good enough to use the card. And for deep burn, I actually had something. I wanted to change the description. Well, not... Wait, actually... Wait, what? Wait. Fire control? I know that one didn't have a space. I wanted to update. Oh, it's the card, right? Wait. I actually don't know. Never mind. It has a space. Oh, this one... Wait. That's normal. I don't know, okay? So, ignite. Convert burn into the burn. Yeah, okay, now the ability is going to be on hit instead. Well, on hit, effect maybe? Effect, um, plus attack, burn to the target. And this is it. This is it. Yeah, this is it. This is gonna be it. And this is gonna be fine. And we have the mini boss. And it's going to be strong, I guess. Maybe. And we're gonna try to win. So yeah, now we have actually a lot of, the code is mostly done, so I can just add new cards very easily. So this is kind of great. I just have to update a few things to make things more understandable, I guess. But that's fine. Wait, let me try to win, actually. I don't think it's gonna be that hard. Let's do a +2. Let's give some mana, maybe. Let's draw and let's attack. It's not gonna deal anything right now. Well, actually, a little. Okay, burn. This is starting. So, +2. Plus shield, because it has the burn, right? And we can actually attack up magic to attack. That's -1 attack. So this is going to reduce the amount of burn that we're gonna get, which is great. And let's put some mana, and I guess that's it. Oh, shield, I can't do anything. Okay, now let's use that, let's use that. Let's attack 2 times, let's attack again, draw, and this is it. And now I have the deep burn, and now it's gonna be like very fast, right? I'm gonna get like 12 damages. Yeah, I'm actually gonna... Okay, yeah, I'm actually gonna die very soon at this rate, but I can kill like the enemy faster, like a whole lot faster, right? So I actually want to check things again to modify the enemy. Probably increase the health a little bit, because right now it's like 25, while my character is at 30, and I have like 2 characters, so it's like a bit unfair. Status, characters, maybe reduce the cost of ignite actually, because it's costing so much. Green dragon. Yeah, health is going to be maybe 35. It's a boss, right? It's gonna be a tank. Maybe 40 even. Yeah, wait, that's actually a lot. 35. Let's start with 35. Base attack is gonna be 2. I guess that's fine. Range is 2. Yeah. Health is this. Amount of actions per turn. Oh, wait, this is actually great. Wait, I can actually have 2 actions per turn for this character, for example. Ooh, that means I deal 2 times more effects. Oh. Okay, that's actually, I actually want to try this. Attack of 1. It attacks 2 times, so it's like 2 in total. But you can have the +2. Yeah, this is actually great. I like that. And yeah, shield is kind of useless against, well, not useless actually, but kind of, right? Against this one. Okay, I like that a lot. That makes the shield kind of useless. And let's just reduce the cost of ignite. Ignite that converts burn into deep burn. So that was 8. I'm going to put it to 7, so that the enemy can actually use another card at the same time. Okay, here we go. Let's go for... I could get some... Oh. I can have like some really great things actually. I can deal like a lot of damages. Let's just put some cards for the moment. Let's just save up on action points. And let's attack. Okay. So now I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna use this, I'm going to attack 2 times. And this is 16 damages I'm going to have. So a lot. Okay, here we go. So now we have the deep burn. It's like using it more easily because of me reducing the cost, right? I can prevent the enemy from actually dealing me damages. Let's go with some guard. Yeah, because like burn plus deep burn is like a lot, right? So we want to protect ourselves. Plus reduce, increase damages. Yeah, this is still, I'm still losing so much. Maybe I should have like some minions or something. Yeah, maybe some minions would be great. Like before reaching the boss. That could be fine. Like two little, you know, reptiles, I guess. We can have that. Let's have that. So, let's go back down. Where exactly, I don't know. Oh, there. Game Dungeon Miniboss. So we have the miniboss and we have... No, not this. We have this, right. Enemy knife reptile. So let's just... Well, battlefield actually. Let's repeat this. Let's add one just here, before the dragon. And... Yeah, I think they're quite strong themselves though. I'm not sure if I'd be able to actually kill them. And yeah, let's just add this little card here. And maybe another ignite to make sure that this is getting triggered. Okay, here we go. She looks like so small compared to the other ones. Ah, I hate this. No, not again. Ah. Okay. I have to be careful. Okay, yeah, this one is gonna be impossible. What's that attack? No. Let's chill. Let's give some mana. Let's prevent the burn for now. I can't attack the enemy, right? Because the range is like too far ahead. So let's just attack this one, attack this one. Finish. Yeah, I don't actually want these little peeps to have the fire. Oh, hello, so many people. Welcome. How are you? That's two. Wait. So I can give +2 attack and add one action, so we can deal like, 2 times more damages. So now I'm going to attack this. I'm going to attack again, and it's not going to die anytime soon. Shields. Wait, the shockwave is actually great because it deals like damages in an area, so that should be good actually. Let's do that. Boom, here we go. Okay, this one is gonna die. Wait, actually this one is gonna die too. Oh no. Oh no. Do I actually... Oh, I do have deep burn on this one. That's kind of bad. Attack up. Wait, I +3. Okay, I can actually kill the first one. Okay, one dead. Oh wait. That sounds good. That looks good. Let's actually use it on this one. Oh, maybe this one would have been better. Okay. She's gonna die so much. No. No. Stop it. This is okay. Shield, shield. Okay, protect yourself, please. Oh, I shouldn't have drawn. Oh no. Oh no. Let's just go with shockwave and let's attack this one. I think that's the end. No, it's not. It's not. Can I have a shield? Yes! Shield! Don't die. Don't die yet, please. Burn, burn. Okay. Okay. Let's attack 2 times. This one. 1, 2, 3. No, my cards are gonna get removed. No. No. I'm getting so many useless cards. I could get some mana. I mean, that's kind of all I can get, actually. I don't think I can... Yeah, I can't get a shield. Yeah, that's the end. That's game over. Let's get... I don't know. Let's put some mana on this one. This is... Yeah, this is so dead. This is so dead. Shield. Shield. Please. Okay. Okay. I actually might have some chance. Don't. I definitely don't. Okay. This is the end. Yeah, this is definitely too hard. This is definitely too hard. Let's maybe put like only one. Maybe only one could be fine. Yeah, only one could be fine. Let's do this. Maybe I don't actually want like another ally. I really want to center it around the bus, right? So maybe I should not like put this one, right? Because it has like fire too. I mean, I can always have a custom AI. +2 attack. I mean, yeah, I could win, but let's maybe not. Let's maybe not. So yeah, what should I do for the last boss? Because I want only one enemy, ideally. But with only one enemy, I feel like I'm going to make it too strong if I do that. So what should I do? Ideally, I want like some fire slimes or something. I want like a red slime. I don't know. A red reptile. Well, I mean, I want reptiles. Maybe I can make another card. But what would it be? That's the question, right? A card that spawns minions? A card that... I don't know. I really don't know. Do you have any idea, people of the chat, viewers? Do you have any idea about what I should do to have only this enemy, but have it be strong enough? I mean, I guess I want a lot of shields. Maybe I just want more shields. Yeah, maybe more shields would be fine. Like, let's remove this. Let's remove... Yeah, I actually don't need that many fire control. And I mean, I don't actually need fire control at all, now that I think about it, because I can just increase the attack. Let's maybe just put another shield, and this is gonna be it. Let's try like that. So, mana, mana, maybe not guard, motivation, and I draw. And I attack. Wait, I just removed the shield. Oh yeah, because I have 5 attack. Yeah, good. Okay. What now? 8 burn. This is crazy. Yeah, this is crazy. I could use this. Perfect. Perfect. Wait, this is perfect. And now I do this. I attack. Okay, yeah, this is actually going to be a complicated battle because of all the shields the enemy has. Let's put some shield here. Let's put some motivation. And let's attack. I should probably save up my cards. I don't need shockwave, I don't need overreach, so that's fine if I just lose them. Burn, burn. I want to save this one. Let's do this. Oh, yeah, this is fine. This. And I mean, I can't deal any damage, so let's keep it like that. Burn, burn. Okay, this is fine for now. This is like just, you know, slow because of the shields, right? Let's probably draw. Oh, it's magic. Okay, let's guard. Which one? This one? Let's put some mana. And I guess that's gonna be it because I can't deal damages. Mana again. Okay, wait, no shields. Burn. Oh, deep burn. This one has deep burn. That's bad. That's bad. Okay, let's do this, this, this. So I have 10 damages. Let's attack. Boom. Perfect. Yeah, now it's gonna go down like very fast. Very fast. I might actually want more attack by default. Maybe I just want to remove like the +2 attack. Also. I could use this plus overclock. Do I want that? Maybe I'm gonna wait a bit more. I can put some mana. I mean, mana isn't really useful right now. I just guard. And draw. And that's gonna be it. 10. Wait, okay. 10 is too much, I can't attack. Wait, what? Oh, I don't have any more burnings. Wait, I just misused my shield. My bad. I could do this. Burn. Okay, next turn is gonna be good for me. So, magic, +2 attack, plus overclock, and I have... Wait, that's actually the end. I actually win. Wait, that was too easy. That was too easy. Okay, fine. Let's make deep burn a bit better, maybe. Maybe 5 damages. 5 damages will be crazy, though. Wait, 5 damages will be crazy. I think 3 damages is fine because it just ticks really, really fast, right? Like 4 would be the maximum, I guess. But on top of that, I guess I want to make Ignite easier to use for the AI, like make the AI use Ignites more. So +1, +3. Okay. Let's go back here. Let's remove sharpening. Okay, probably good. Let's keep shield boost. Let's keep fire control. And let's keep ignite. But I feel like I'm not dealing enough right now. Enough damages, enough burn, I guess, rather. So maybe it's going to be of what? Characters. Green Dragon. This is gonna be... maybe an attack of 5 is fine. Maybe an attack of 3 actually. Yeah, 3 might be fine. And then we have the deep burn. Where is it? Well, ignite. Let's put that back to 10, because that was actually... it's actually better this way. 10 is a lot, but since it's each turn, then, you know, it's kind of fine. It's like 5 real turns, I guess. Oh, so wait, the AI burn minimum of 4. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, wait, shields. Oh no. Let's just... oh wait. Yeah, let's just attack for now. Here we go. Burn and burn. This is starting well. Maybe not, but... yeah, okay, shields. Motivation. Wait, 10. Okay, let's just prepare then. Let's just put some mana. Let's draw. And I guess that's gonna be it. Okay. I still have burn, but more now. So... +3, +2. I want the... yeah, I guess I won't be able to get it. Let's just use that then. Okay, let's use the magic right now to deal more damages. So this is burn, this is... wait, burn again. Yeah. Okay, mana. Card. I feel like I'm gonna need it. Okay, I have overclock. Great, I have overclock. Wait, I won't be able to deal anything right now. My god. It's not using ignite. It's just not using ignite. Why? Why is it not using ignite? Let me go to the random... well, actually, is that... yeah, it's the random AI controller. So when I try to play a card from hand, what is it doing? What is it doing? Query card targets. Wait, actually, not this one, I guess. Play cards. So while it's a success, I try to play a card from the hand, and it's a random card. Do I want it to be a random card? Maybe not. Maybe not anymore. Because then I have like only one chance out of 3 or 4. So maybe I want to play cards that cost a lot first. Like, oh yeah, wait, this is actually a good idea. What if I just random it, but instead of that, I use... wait, how is it called? Godot random... let me show you. Wait, random... yeah, random, right? This is not it. Oh, waste. Wasted. Wait, I mean, there should be a function, I think. Yeah, run wasted. Okay, random number generator. Got it. Let's use this. And let's have cards that cost more have a higher chance of getting played. That would make sense, right? So... Yeah, I actually have a lot of random, but I don't have a random number generator here. Generator, so random number generator equal this.new and pick random. Yeah, this is it. Rand weighted. Let's just try this. And the weights are going to be this. And yeah, just give us the weight, right? That should be a lot better for cards that cost a lot. Array of floats. I'm gonna resize it to this.size. And then for every card in this, I'm gonna get it, right? Wait, what are the arguments? Oh, it's packed. Packed float 32 array. Can I... float 32 array? Can I do this? I can, actually. I can. And I can resize too. So now I should be able to put it there. And I guess that's it. We just get an integer. Wait, not there. Not there, actually, just here, right? And now I have to fill... so it's actually I range this. I dot cost, maybe? Maybe think a little? Yeah, I guess it's like the cost, but then it wouldn't be a float, right? Because I have multiple costs. Yeah, that's like a dictionary. Oh no. Oh no. I mean, I guess I have the AI costs too. Gets costs. That's gonna be bad for me, I feel like. Yeah, let's get cost waste, let's say. We're gonna have the costs. So it's gonna return a float. And if this is a float, I'm just gonna return the cost, I guess. Well, if cost is float, then I return. If cost is dictionary, then this is gonna be a bit different. And for everything in the costs, then we're gonna, well, add them together. Cost object, and well, yeah, cost is fine actually. This is gonna be called a weight. This is 0 by default. And if it's a dictionary, then we're gonna have this dot values, and we're gonna loop through every cost value, and we're just gonna add. And same for AI, I guess. AI? What? What am I saying? I mean, I guess something like this. Get AI cost weight. This is important too. Get AI cost, gets AI cost. And let's just use it here. Okay, here we go. AI cost. Yeah, should be good. So now I'm doing all of this, and I'm probably going to add a variable here, which is going to be extra cost per, well, more like cost to, wait, that's actually gonna be the same if I just wait. Yeah, okay, that's just gonna be the same, never mind. Never mind. But yeah, I guess ideally I want to add to the AI an option to um, play in priority certain cards. I mean, I guess I can just do that actually. That all cards return. Yeah, let's return the wave. And what? Oh right. Yeah. I mean, of course. Okay. And what if I increase the waves like here? Like, yeah, I can just modify the AI here, right? So this is going to be like card wave increase, maybe, and this is going to be a dictionary from an ID to, well, yeah, so from string name an ID to the wave, card ID to wave increase, I guess, or like maybe multiplier. Maybe it could be a multiplier. But anyway, here it is. And here, random wave. Yeah, I mean, okay. Get cost wave. Let's have gets card wave instead. That's gonna use all of this. It's just gonna use all of this. So we have the card. Maybe that's it. I think it was spell card battle instance. Wave equal this by default. So like card. Wait. Oh right. Yeah. Okay. I complete the wave here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Here. Wait. I can actually just put that in the function, I guess. Yeah, but I want to do that for like, yeah, okay, never mind. Let's just card. Yeah, okay, this is gonna be fine. Let's do this. Get. Wait, what is this? I mean, yeah, that's the thing I want to add, but it's a dictionary. Okay. Owning player. Yeah, sure. Let's put it here, maybe. I is not declared. Yep, you're right. So now we have something even smaller than before, so this is great. And we have the wave, and we return news. This is a float. And now what we do is we check the dictionary that I was talking about earlier. And I try to find if there is, sorry. Wait. As a key, I try to find if it has, or try get maybe. Oh, get actually, get is fine. Because it returns the default of null. So we search for the ID, get ID. And it's null by default, right? So increase equal this If increase is not null, then well, is float actually. Then I'm just going to add to the weight. I'm just gonna add the increase. And it should be good. So now we should have AIs be a bit more like we want them to be. So for example, Ignite is going to have an increase of over 9,000! And here it is. Now I can simplify things here by just calling this on the card. I have to get to send the player too. Now I have the waves, I have the card index. I mean, I guess actually I don't think that's a good idea to increase so much, because it's going to loop forever, right? Like, it's a very primitive system. So, so I'm not sure I want to do that. Like, cannot play, maybe? Filter. I do want to filter the cards, basically. One try play card from hand is success. I mean, if this is a success, then I'm going to reset the cards to this. Available cards. This is gonna be array of spell card. Okay. Well, this is actually just this. And now every time it fails, I'm going to remove a card. I'm going to remove a card. So well, erase even. Oh, remove that actually, because you have the index, right? Card index. So I'm just gonna remove it. And this is gonna be fine. Probably. Probably. So yeah, should be good. Now that I have the index, I can just use it here directly. It's success. So while this is a success, wait, that's actually kind of bad, isn't it? Wait, what? Wait, this is gonna be, wait, my enemies are actually gonna be so strong. I just realized my mistake. It just played cards randomly and stopped at the first fail. But what if they can continue? Well, actually, my cards mostly had the same cost, so that's fine. But yeah, whoa, wait, actually, they're gonna be, my AI is gonna be a lot stronger now. Oh no. What about the balance of the game? Okay, let's try. Let's shield. Maybe just put some attack. And we need some mana though. Okay, here it is. So 5 and 2. We start. Let's guard. Okay, shields. Let's remove the attack. And let's draw. This is bad. Shockwave is bad, so that's fine. Okay, let's continue. Okay, now I have the burn. So yeah, it took priority. Perfect. This is what I wanted. So yeah, now this is actually, now the boss is actually going to be strong, like very strong probably. So let's play this, so we get some mana for this card. Motivation and Overclock next turn. Let's... Can I actually play it now? No. Let's save up probably. Let's put some more mana here. And let's do this. Okay, let's hope for no shields. Like, I mean, they have a shield, that's fine. Let's put a shield and let's wait a bit more until the conditions are met. Okay, wait, no 5 shield. Okay, you know what? Let's play it now. So I have 8 attack, and I'll be able to attack 2 times. So this is 16 damages. Get that. Even with a shield, it's like a lot. So 15. Okay. Problem right now is that I really don't have shields myself. So this is gonna be bad. Let's put a shield. Let's give some mana to. Maybe not. So many useless cards. No. This is fine. I won't do any damages like that. Oh wait, no shields. This is an opportunity. Wait. Okay. Good. Okay. this is gonna be hard. Wait. Motivation. Intimidation. I can guard. I could. Maybe this one first. Let's then have Shockwave. Yeah, Shockwave is bad. Motivation, +2/+2. I could do this, please. Okay, this is getting really close. And yeah, I'm getting pretty close to dying too. This is bad. Deep burn. Yeah. 3 damages. Oh, wait. Let's use this. Can I win? No, not now. Let's reduce the attack. Let's wait patiently. Okay. Wait, okay, yeah, this is burning. There is a fire. There is. I have overclock. I have a chance. Let's draw and. No, I need mana. I don't have enough mana. No. Okay. Can I still? So this is 8 damage. Wait, I can actually win. Wait, Yes. Okay, great. I won. I won. So yeah, the enemy is now like very complicated, very difficult to beat. But that's fine. That's good. I like that. I really have to make the effects like more easy to read. So let's go to gameicons.net and let's try to get back our fire icon here. So this one, it was this one. But actually this one in flame is pretty neat too. Yeah, flame is actually pretty neat. Yeah, maybe I want this one actually for like deep burn. So let's do things again. Background. Let's have a rounded square at like 100. Could be good. Color is gonna be... Oh, not this one. Let me actually check the reference I had about the icons, because I have a friend who gave me a very good reference. So let's see if we can have something kind of similar. We can't. Wait, actually kind of. We kind of can. Let me think a bit. Square. I guess I can have something dark. Let's get some black. Let's... Can I get some corner radius? No. Width? No. What about the... How is it called? The outline. I guess I can't. For like the background. I mean, I guess... Oh, frame. Wait, actually that's probably frame. Yeah, okay, this is frame. That looks so ugly. That looks so ugly, like, what? That looks so bad. Yeah, and like, the icon is not even inside. Ew. Foreground. Let's have some fire. Yeah, some fire like that could be great. What about strokes? Maybe red. Something like that, maybe? Could be kind of nice. I'm not sure. Tell me what you think. Would be nice, I think. So this is gonna be deep burn. Flame. Next we are going to have this one, so let's refresh. Okay, here we go. This one is gonna be burn. Let's download, I guess. Wait. Here we go. And then we are going to have the thing that's gonna give fire. So let's have let's keep the strokes, but let's remove the color. Or like put something white. Maybe. Disable the strokes. No, the strokes were fine. Let's have this. Okay, here we go. So now what I'm gonna do is go back to my downloads, rename that to ads burn, maybe? Burn and deep burn. And I'm just going to drag that into my current icons, let's say, here. There we go. So there. I feel like the outline is not going to be big enough though. I mean, maybe that's fine. Let's say this is gonna be fine. Yeah, anyway. Fire. So let's remove fire, I guess. Then we are going to have fire attack. I'm not sure about this one. Maybe just keeping the icon is good enough. Maybe not. I'm really not sure about the icon of this one. But in any case, we have fire control. This is gonna be add fire, I think. Add burn. Add burn. Oh wait, that's the card. That's not the card I want. That's the status. So burn is gonna be... Wait. Oh. Let's change it for caps instead. So burn is going to be burn, of course. Then we have deep burn, and we have add burn. Fire control. Yeah, it should be good. Should be good. Let's see how it goes. So many people watching. Hello. I see you. So we have fire control. And we're gonna wait. And now it's the fire, right? Burn. Burn. And when it upgrades, wait, it's still burn. Upgrade, please. Wait, I'm just gonna die. How? Wait, is there like... Oh, there's an error. Oh, okay, the path is invalid, probably. Deep burn. Deepburn.png. So what was it? Beep. Beep burn. It's beep burn now. Okay. Here we go. Should be a lot better. I realized that I can just modify the dagger to get like the colors of fire, maybe. That could be neat. So we have burn. We have even more burn. We have burn again. Please. Burn me even more. Oh, okay, this is the burn. And this is dealing a lot of damages. Yeah, why did it start? What the? Wait. Yeah, this is dealing a lot of damages. Wait, but it's not getting down. Oh, it is. It is, never mind. But, like, the enemy is never playing. Why is it never playing Ignite? I don't know. It's still not playing Ignite when I want it to play Ignite. It doesn't have that many cards. So I really don't know why. Why it's doing that. Let's go back to the AI, maybe. Random ways. Yeah, maybe we can just print the... Well, actually, never mind. Wait, we're still in game. Perfect. Let's put a shield. Let's put... 3... Okay, this is fine. Let's put breakpoints. Let's end the... Oh, I know why. Because this is computing the weight based on, you know, the cards, right? But we are trying to play available cards. That's why. So yeah, I have to replace. I forgot to replace. I had that in mind, actually, but I forgot to replace. Oh, and his success. Yeah, okay, his success is gonna be just a bye-bye. It's just gonna be a bye-bye. I should not replace the last one. Here we go. Okay, should be a lot better now, and then he might, well, will become stronger too, actually. A lot stronger. Yeah, maybe I'm going to have to nerf it this time. Like, maybe reduce the HPs a little bit. Let's give some... Oh wait, wrong character. Okay, let's play this. Let's play more mana, really? We can play... Oh wait, the shield, oh my god. I mean, I guess let's give some mana. Let's finish the turn. Okay, here we go. So we are burning right now, burning with passion. Let's play this, let's play this, let's play this. Let's deal a lot of damages. I was lucky. Very lucky. But now it's going to be bad for me probably, which is good. I want that. Actually, let's put a breakpoint. I want to check the waste. Yeah. So yeah, let's end turn because it has like too much shields anyway. Let's just run intimidation, some guard, and that's it. Wait, Oh, it's actually not used. Oh, right. Oh! I did all of that for nothing. For every card. Wait, so... Okay. So this is actually fine. know. Let's put a breakpoint. So we have a lot of cards in the hand. And for all of them I try to play them. And it just returns true, if it works. Oh right, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. So owning player that hand that card. Can I? Yeah, this is kind of. I mean, okay. This is better than the other function I had before, but I guess I want to still sort the cards. So like I have cards. I have an array. Spelled. Na. I'm just gonna get this. Okay. I guess it's gonna be a duplicate actually. Here we go. And I want to sort custom. Yeah, this is good. And I should, it's like A and B, right, in sort, yeah. A and B, both of them are cards, obviously. And I'm just going to return, I guess that's going to cost quite a bit. Maybe I should make another array. Maybe that's fine. Yeah, that's probably fine. Get cost weight. And check this. Cost weight. No, never mind. Get card. Wait. Without S, actually. Get card weight with the owning player. And this is gonna be a bit better. Not optimized, but it should work. It shouldn't be too bad. AI cost. Oh right. Oh right, wait. Oh yeah, because I'm using it for the first time. Makes sense. Wait. Yeah, let's try to get it, but if we don't have it, then it's just gonna be 0, right? Makes sense? So here we go. We have some mana, we have some shield, we have some shield again, probably, and done. Wait, it did lag, right? I think it did lag. I mean, it shouldn't be too much, but I mean, I guess we can always compute that beforehand. So, waste. Yeah, waste, let's say. We have the array. We have... I mean, we have floods, right? So we are gonna resize it to cards.size. Oh yeah, but it's going to do this for like every card too. Okay, that's fine. For card in cards. Then wait. I in range. Then wait I equal gets card wait. Yeah, basically just this, right? And this is gonna be cards A. Well, I. And now I should just be able to... Oh. Oh. Oh no. I just realized I can't get the waves here. I have to sort the indices. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. This is bad. I don't want that. I have to make an array with indices. I can. It's just that it's kind of a pain, and I'm not sure about performance much anymore. Like so many arrays and stuff. I mean, it should still be fine. But yeah. I don't really like that. Maybe I should just be able to do that at the beginning, right? Or like recompute that only when I play a card. Well, actually, that's what I'm doing, kind of. Kind of. And play card, yeah. So let's say I have this. I'm looping through cards, fine. I am setting the index. I'm getting the waves. Then I'm gonna sort the indices. So we have integers. And so we can get cards A is less than cards B. And now I'm just gonna loop through the indices. That should be good. For index in indices, we have basically the same cards index. And here we go. Should be fine. Okay, let's try again this time, and let's hope it's gonna work. So shield. She's just priming the shield. Okay, what about now? It should use deep burn. Well, ignite. It doesn't. Why? Shield. It's just shielding. It's like really just shielding. Just a lot of shields. I don't know why. I don't know why. Oh, because it's like the one that has... Oh, yeah, right, I have to sort it the other way, I guess. But I also have to shuffle it a little bit, maybe? Yeah, because it's like... Yeah, okay. Yeah, I have to shuffle it. I have to get it randomly, I guess. How can I... How can I... Wait. I realize that with this card it's like kind of complicated to do this. What if I don't know. I really don't know. I mean, I have the waves. I guess I want to pick something depending on the waves randomly. I guess you know what? That's fine. That's fine. That's gonna be fine. I'm gonna have sampled cards. This is gonna be... I don't have to sort it actually, so I can remove this. This is gonna be an array of cards, right? Maybe. Wait. 2 seconds. 2 seconds, 2 seconds, I have to think. I have to copy the code I made before, actually. Some part of it. Kirby card. No. I think it was here. Okay. Here we go. So, here, let's take this. I have the weight. I resize for every available card. I do stuff, so let's just remove all of that. It's kind of useless now. I pick something randomly. And I guess I'm gonna try to play it. And if it doesn't work, then I play the next one. Or something like that. How is it? Should be good. But it's just not going to be like one after the other like it was before, though. That should be good. 4-card index. Wait. Let's say, well, available cards, that's empty. Then I do this, and I potentially return. Yeah, it would be fine. That would be fine. Then I get the random card here. I have the card index, so now I can just use that here. And I even... Oh wait, if I remove it, it's gonna be a bit problematic actually. Cards is not... Yeah, available cards, my bad. Okay. And if it is not working, then I have to remove it, right? So... Else... I'm gonna remove at the card index. And I'm also going to not forget about the waves, right? Remove at card index. And that should be good. That should be good. Hopefully it works. That's basically what I made previously, but here. Okay. 5. Okay, now, okay, burn. Now it should do a deep burn. It doesn't. Okay, it does. It does, actually. Yeah, it deep burns. Yeah, it deep burns pretty easily now. Uh-oh. Wait, what? Wait, that again? Wait, which one was it? If it's not character view. Wait, what? Wait, is it timeline.value? No, it's a flood. Wait, what? Yeah, what should it be? Because my characters haven't died yet, right? Maybe. It's just one character. One character died. So, I mean... So... Animation... Wait, timeline, maybe? Maybe it's the timeline that got removed? Wait, when I remove a character, I'm erasing it. So that should be fine. Remove character view. Yeah, that should be fine. So why am I crashing? Trying to assign invalid previously fluid. So I'm trying to assign to that, right? So this is what it's saying, right? And it's not working. It's not working. I mean, I can check if this is like not... No, I guess. That has not been deleted from memory. And I mean... What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm literally checking that. I'm literally checking this. Is it... Maybe I should just put it at the beginning. Should be better like that. Just, you know, I mean, it's still a hotfix, right? But yeah. Should be better, maybe. Yeah, let's have the enemy kill us, actually. Okay, now it's deep burn already. Yeah, this is great, it's working well. Deep burn there. Yeah, here we go. Okay, but it's gonna die. Let's put a shield on this one first. I don't want both to die at the same time. Okay, good. Yeah, okay, there's no problem anymore. Good, 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 good. Yeah, deep burn. So the status, like the name, like you can see, right? It doesn't have a space. Is it because I'm using the ID when displaying in the UI? Status deep burn. Name. This should be good. Yeah, that means it's showing the ID. That's not good. That's not good. Let's restart and let's try to win. Let's try to win. Let's win. Let's win it. Shield. +2. Draw. +5. Let's attack. Okay, fire. The fire is starting. Let's draw. That's probably gonna be fine for now. But I have to play if I wanna win. The guard up is overkilled for now. Let's just do this. Boom. Boom. A lot of damages. Here you go. Intimidation. And it should be good. So now, okay, I still don't have the deep burn effect, but it has a lot of stuff, let's say. A lot of shields. So let's just draw and ignore. Oh wait, I have it on this character. Yeah, that's gonna be a bit. Yeah, let's put the guard. Let's put the shield. Wait, no. Okay, let's wait 2, 5. Yeah, let's just use motivation then. Boom, boom. Here we go. Okay. I can use this one. Let's draw. Oh, wait, 10. Okay, let's save a little bit more. Probably. Like this. Okay, have a shield, that's good. But now he's gonna deal so many damages. Here we go. Let's shield. Yeah, okay. And yeah, I should be able to win. Please, wait. Actually, not right now. Guard. Okay, let's guard. Let's... Yeah, because it's gonna actually die, like, in... in, like, some turns. Okay. Go, removing the shield and attacking. 10. Okay, I can't attack. I can't deal damages. So let's guard again. And let's wait. Let's be patient. Okay, I might die next turn. 2 + 2. Maybe 1. Perfect. Yeah, okay, perfect. Yeah, I should win. 8. 10 damages, and it's a one-shot. Boom. Okay, I did it. Yeah, okay, it's possible to beat the boss. Great. Even like with my cards that I'm not using right now. So this is good. Okay, this should be good. Yeah, the boss should be nice. The boss should be beatable. Let's just go back on the icons though. I wanna check something. I wanna go to sword. Or like dagger, I guess. Oh wait, I didn't realize we had so many icons about swords. It's this one I'm using right now. Yeah, what about a sword with fire. Like burning sword. No. Let's check swords again. I mean, we are already here. Let's maybe check for fire. Do I have fire? Axe tools. There's no fire here. Maybe I can just add it in the background somehow. Oh, blood. There's blood. Oh wait, this one looks nice. Actually, that could be great for like a character that can attack multiple times. Yeah, what if I search for fire? Do I have a sword? Torch? Alien? Primitive torch. Burning patient. Fireball. Well, actually that could be great. Burning book. Oh. Wait, actually this one looks... No, never mind. It's confusing with mana, right? Undead flame could be fine. Fire shield. Salamander. Oh, fitting. Spark spirit. There are like some great icons. Oh wait, this one looks good. This one too. This one is like fitting of an attack, but I'm not sure if it's like fitting to the game. This one kind of, but same. Yeah, I mean, toast. Let's see, what can I... Yeah, this one. Oh wait, this one. Okay, they look kind of funny. The heart. This one looks kind of neat. I mean, maybe this one is like the best, kind of. Like fire trail. Fire axe, why fire? Dragon breath. Okay, yeah, this is actually great. Yeah, this one is actually great. Celebration fire. Yeah, either this one or this one. Both are fine, right? What do you prefer? Because it's a, I mean, it's a dragon. So maybe spitting flames is better than like using your hand, right? Maybe I'm more for this one. And for the gradient, can I use... Okay, yeah, that was the shortcut. Let's use this. Wait, why is it so bad? Why is it not getting killed? That's so bad. Skew. Wait, can I... That's not what I want. Can I... Kale? I think I can. Oh yeah, I can. Perfect. Yeah, maybe something like this. Should be good. Here we go. So then we are gonna have the icons, and it's gonna be fire attack. Let's say art, fire attack. I just open it again. Boom, here we go. So fire attack, I did. Ability. Yeah, okay, this one, wait. Path. Fire attack. Yeah, and it should be like better, like more understandable. Should be great. Yeah, this is great. This is great. So many burning so much. What about I mean, let's just keep. I mean, everything looks kind of neat now. Like the fire is like red, like it's like easily understandable. Shield is blue. I'm not sure about this. But, I mean, I guess that's fine. The sword. Plus freedom. Well, I mean, I guess that's enough. Shield. Oh, no. Shield. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I mean, I think that's fine. I think that's fine. I think things are looking fine. I just need to add the amount of turns left maybe in the description here, and that should be good. Yeah, let's put it to do. So programming, to do add amount of attacks left in description, in attack description, probably. Yeah, okay, should be good. Shield. Should be good, should be good. What's next? What? I mean, I guess the boss is done, right? I mean, I guess the boss is done. So it's like, great. Let's add assets. Let's add... let me show you. Yeah, let's add this. I mean, every .gg, I guess. This should be good. Let's add method context, as well as this one. And let's call it, let's have the commit be boss finished, shall we? Wait, it's 1 AM already. Oh. Let me check GitHub. Do I have my GitHub somewhere? Backlog. 203 mini boss finished. New icons added. AI improved. I guess that's it, right? I guess that's fine. Yeah, should be good. Let's push it. This is great. This is great. I mean, that's probably time to finish it for tonight, because That was a lot. And yeah, from now on, okay, so we like the 9. From now on, we're gonna work on the deck builder aspect of the game, probably. And, you know, maybe polish the tutorial a little bit and none of that. Okay. So, let's check. Who's that? Wait. What? Anyway, back working on stuff. I don't know what he's working on. What about game jams? Oh wait, we have someone playing, well, on a game jam. Yeah, let's probably raid this guy. Unity. Oh, it's French. Oh, it's French. Ooh. Ooh. French people. Just kidding. Oh, Sefak. Just like the last time, actually. I wanted to raid him like so many times, but yeah, every time he's like French. So maybe not, right? To make these puffs. What? I'm so tired. What? Who's that?
I mean, to be honest, it's kind of true on her part. Like,
I've never seen this person.
Gamer, she was a StarCraft.
I mean, usually I raid people that's, you know, participate in game jams and stuff, right? So I guess it's mostly art. I mean, I guess that's fine. I'm just kind of wondering about all the drama, honestly. Just kind of curious. Anyway. Maybe actually might not have been the right person to raid. But yeah. Thanks for the stream, everyone, and see you another time. That was Progs. Bye. Wait. Here we go. And bye.